Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2021 Skill Approaches Chapter 3 Skill Review 3.2 Simulate. So Excel 2021 Skill Approaches Chapter 3 Skill Review. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete Simulate project Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel 2021 Skill Approaches Chapter 3 Skill Review. So we move to the main project step, and step number 1 is open the stored file Excel 2021 Skill Review 3.2. The file will be renamed automatically, included your name, and change the project file name directed to do so your instructor and save it. So I have already opened the EX 2021 Skill Review and Approaches. And next is, if the workbook open protected it. So if the workbook open protected, you click the enable editing buttons in the message bar at the top of the workbook so you can modify it. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel files, and next is we move to the question number 3. The look at the two sheets. The first sheet contains the student name and their score. The score sheet will be used to look up the letter grade for each student. So score and grade score worksheets. So next is, on the score worksheet, enter the function in cell B3 to display the current date and time. If necessary, click the score worksheets, click B3 on the formula tab in the function library groups and click the date and times and click the now and click OK. On the score worksheets, so go to the score worksheet and enter the function in cell B3. So select the B3, go to the B3 and type is equal to, so score worksheet and B3 display the date and score worksheet tab, click the B3 formula tab, date and time and click the now and click OK. So type is equal to, type the now function and press enter. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, the first column should display the full student name. Use the connect to combine the value of first name and last name column. Click the cell A10 on the formula tab in the function library groups. Click the text button and select the connects. Click the cell C10, enter the cell reference text 1 arguments and press move to the text argument box and type inverted commas. So next is click the cell A10 and press enter. A10 and insert the click the text and button and click the connect function. So type is equal to and type the connect function. Sorry. So type is equal to and connect function. Connect function and select the C10 in the first time C10 and type the comma, type inverted comma and type inverted comma and next is B10. So select the B10, close bracket and press enter. And next is and a proper function to the formula so students name do not appear in all uppercase. Double click the cell A10, edit the formula and create the nested formula by typing proper connects and type the another end of the formula and proper connect C10 B10s and copy the formula A10 A11 to A26. So next is select the A10 and double click the A10, edit the formula and typing the between the sample connect and the centers. So copy the formula and go to the cell A10 and paste the formula, press enter. So next is copy the formula A11 to A26, fill the list student name and use the any method you want. A11 to A26. So copy the formula and paste the formula in cell A26. So question number 6 is complete and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is count the number of student to calculate the class size and click the cell B2, type the count function and double click the counter in the formula. Auto complete list and click the cell B10 and drag the cell B26 and press enter and type is equal to counter B10 B26. Click the cell B2, so type the B2 and type is equal to and type is equal to type the counter function and B10 to B26 counter function B10 to B26 and close bracket and press enter. So next is question number 7 is complete and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is displays your formula to check for accuracy on the formula tabs in the formula dating groups. So next is question number 8 is Display the formula on the formula tab editing groups and click the show formula button. When you are ready to hide the formula, display the formula and show the formula button. Formula tab and formula editing groups. So go to the formula tab and formula editing groups and show the formula buttons. Show a formula button and when you are ready to continue the formula, display the show formula button again. So question number 8 is complete and we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is define the name and define the name arrange for the total possible point up to a cross drop cutoff point and select the cell D7 to R7 in the name box and possible and press enter. So copy the range and go to the Excel worksheet, paste the range, press enter, and next is in the name box type the possible mates. So copy the name box and paste and press enter. So question number 9 is complete. So next is question number 10 and find out which students grades below the cross enter the if function in a cell S10 to check if the student total point divided by the total possible point through the midterm in the less than 70%. Use the sum function with an if function be sure to range the name you just defines for a possible and C grids display the warning in the cell and select the cell C10 S10. Go to the cell S10, press enter in cell S10 and next is on the formula tabs in the function library groups click the logical function and click the if function and logical text argument box type the sum d10 r10 sum possible and less than 70%. So the type is equal to and type the if function, open the if function dialog box and logical test is logical test and value if the arguments is type the value if true argument is warning. So value if true arguments is the warning and value if false is value if false is type the inverted commas. To click OK and to complete the formula should like is the if sum and some possible warnings sentence and drop the cut of the points in column. So click OK if a sum possible and in the warning. So question number 10 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam You can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete similar project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and GR exam.